If you're watching this right now, there's a high chance you're slowly ruining your own life, and you don't even realize it. Not because you're lazy, not because you're unlucky, but because of small habits you repeat every single day. And the scary part is, almost everyone is doing the same thing. Before we go deeper, take a second to like this video and subscribe to Knowsense, because what you're about to hear might change the way you see your life forever. Most people think failure comes from big mistakes, but that's not true. Life doesn't collapse in one moment. It breaks slowly, quietly, through patterns. The first reason why 99% of people ruin their lives is simple. They avoid discomfort. Every time life gives them a chance to grow, they choose what feels easy instead. They scroll instead of working. They delay instead of starting. They wait instead of acting. And day by day, this comfort turns into a trap. Because growth only lives on the other side of discomfort. Another reason is overthinking. People spend more time thinking about what could go wrong than actually doing something right. They imagine failure, rejection, embarrassment, so they stop before they even begin. And the truth is, overthinking doesn't protect you. It destroys your confidence slowly. It makes small problems feel huge, and it keeps you stuck in the same place for years. Then comes the habit of blaming everything except themselves. It's always the system, the people, the situation, the timing. But the moment you stop taking responsibility, you also lose control. Because if everything is someone else's fault, then nothing is in your hands anymore. Successful people think differently. They ask, what can I do better? Even when things go wrong. There's also a dangerous illusion people live in, the belief that they have time. They think they'll start tomorrow, next week, next year. But time doesn't wait. Days turn into months, months into years, and suddenly they realize they're in the same place, with the same regrets. The truth is, the perfect time never comes. The only real moment you have is now. And maybe the biggest reason of all, people don't know themselves. They follow what others are doing. They chase goals that don't even belong to them. Society tells them what success should look like, and they accept it without question. But when you live someone else's life, you slowly lose your own. And no matter how far you go, it never feels enough. Here's the hard truth. Your life right now is a result of your daily choices. Not luck, not fate, not chance. Just choices. The good news is, that also means you can change it. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need motivation. You just need to start doing the things you've been avoiding. Take one step, then another. That's how everything changes. So now I want to ask you something. Which one of these habits is holding you back the most? Be honest with yourself. Drop your answer in the comments. Because awareness is always the first step to change. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share this video with them. Sometimes, one message can wake a person up. This is Knowsense. And if you're ready to stop living on autopilot and start taking control of your life, stay connected. Because the next step is yours.